What's up, you guys? It's your favorite spiritual social worker here. Okay, so I am a part time private practice owner. And let's talk about why people are now starting to go more towards self pay options versus using their insurance for therapy. The first reason is more privacy. So, when you use medical insurance, your provider has to list some type of diagnosis, and that goes on your medical record forever. But with self pay, your information stays between you and your therapist. There's no third party involved. Which leads me to my second benefit is that there is no diagnosis required. Not everybody that goes to therapy needs a specific diagnosis. Maybe you want to go for maintenance reasons, like you're at a good place, but you want to keep the momentum, the progress going, or make sure that you address anything. Self pay allows you to focus on it. It allows you to focus on your growth and your healing, and you don't have to have a label for it. The next benefit of self pay is way more flexibility. With insurance, they're gonna limit the type, the how many sessions, the length, all of that shit. Right now, we're starting to see a lot of insurance companies that don't even want to pay for a damn hour. They want 45 minutes or less. And not only that, the rate is way, way cheaper, which most therapists don't want to do. And if your insurance company feels like, oh, well, according to her assessment, she doesn't need weekly treatment, they're not going to approve it. So self pay gives you the option to decide what is best for you. And whether that means longer sessions, more frequency, it's up to your discretion. Another benefit of self pay is that you get more personalized care. So once again, the therapist isn't restricted by insurance requirements. So that means more deeper and individualized care. You really can get treatment tailored to your unique needs. The number one benefit is no surprises with coverage. You don't have to worry about paying a high ass deductible, or the insurance giving you a document saying, hey, we're denying the last 50 claims, or we're going to limit the number of sessions that we're going to pay for the year. With self pay, you can actually invest into your healing. You can invest into your mental wellness, and what you see is what you get. You also can incorporate different modalities that insurance might not normally pay for. So, one of the services I offer is holistic sessions where you can add breath work and trauma informed yoga and sound healing. Sometimes insurance companies don't want to pay that. But with self pay, you can actually do that. You also get greater flexibility in price. If you're self pay, most therapists can offer you a sliding scale. With insurance, they can't do that. And it can be really hard for therapists to come up with a diagnosis after just one visit. I barely know your ass. And you might not even be comfortable enough to tell me all of the symptoms that you're really having, but yet I have to give a diagnosis. Well, self pay, we don't have to worry about that. If you're curious about if self pay is a good option for you, talk to your therapist about it. Let them talk you through the options that are available to you.